Hello, welcome. Finally, after a lot of prep and a lot of extremely hard work, they have arrived. I have been able to put Project Trailer to work, and you could probably see some of what I did. Hi. This is Cow. And then there's a little one there. And then here's the mister. Hey there, guy. How you doing? Man, they've had such a long day, so let me not hold them here any longer. I'm gonna get them into their new home, and come with me, I'll show you. Okay, so yesterday's delivery was those two cool little critters over there. Hey, donkey! They're pretty friendly. Let's take another look at these beautiful beasts. Hey, buddy. Hi. Look at them. See how small they are? This guy's no bigger than a 55-gallon drum. It's so cool. Let's go look at these asses. They're pretty friendly. Hey, donkey. Ooh, fertilizer. Millie, get away. Go. Hey, donkey. Come on, donkey. Ranger, no. No. This is the friendly one, the darker of the two. Hey, donkey. They're still getting to know me. Look at that. Oh, good girl. Oh, we're gonna have to meet halfway or what? Come on, let me do this. Hi, donkey. Look at that donkey. Look at that donkey. You're gonna nibble. Ow, you can't nibble on my fingers. And your little friend here. Hi, guys. How y'all doing? Hi, guys. I love that they're so friendly. Yeah. Go. Go. They're all just curious. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so sweet? Look at the donkeys. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We're going to lick the camera. Smile, you're on GoPro. You got a little snotty nose. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so sweet? Look at the donkeys. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We're going to lick the camera. Smile, you're on GoPro. You got a little snotty nose. They're so cute. Ranger, told you. Told you. You're lucky that wasn't in your head, buddy. Yeah, maybe you'll stay away from them. I'm not mad at you, donkey. I think you didn't even kick them hard. You just said, get out of my way, buddy. All right. Go away, bud. All right, donkey, I got some friends for you. All right, let's get these cattle out. It's so late. I don't have a catch pen for them right now, and it's gonna be kind of hard to have the cows get acquainted with me. But he's playing in the water. But I'll get a catch pen and I'll be out here with them enough. Eventually they'll get acquainted with me. Look at him. And he's supposed to be a guard dog. Oh. He's so goofy. Boy, you're goofy. Hi. He's meeting the dog. Dog's been hanging around the pointers too long. There we go. There we go. All right, mama. All right, little baby. Woo! Easy now. Right there, Aberdeen Angus. I'm sure they want that water. They found the salt lick. She is full grown, and she's not even as tall as my 4-foot fence. I love it. I put that electric wire. That electric wire is probably too high. The grass is about as tall as them. Isn't that something? She's like, yeah, whatever. We're going back home. I'll see you later. They're gonna meet them donkey here in a minute. All right, back at it. Just drove down a little bit. The donkey have seen the cows and they don't care about them. So they seem to be all right. They're just walking away off into the sunset, even though the sunset's that way. Whatever. So this is the peanut hay. After they harvest the peanuts, it leaves, they take the plant, dig it up, throw it on top, let it dry out for a day or so, and then they come collect the peanuts and they run it through a machine. So there's actually still peanuts left in here. So very high in protein, very nutritious, both for my soil and these animals. Hey, donkey. Thank you for fertilizing. Hey, donkey. How you doing? Y'all starting to trust me now? Bye. Pair of asses. Hey. Yeah, you could tell they're women. Female donkey, aka Jennies. All the women ignore me. See them walking away. Donkey, food, money. At least they're not gold diggers. Now those cows disappeared. I thought I saw them going through the grass, but oh, there they are, way over there. They're just checking it all out, probably trying to find a nice quiet place. They've been shaking up in the trailer all day. I'm gonna go run and get the tractor and run the fence line again. We've ran it the last 2 days. I just want to run it one more time to make sure everything's okay. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye.